Hello, and welcome back to another Techtorial on Zoom. In today's video, we will talk about recording and profile features available in Zoom. Recording a Zoom meeting can be very handy. By recording your Zoom, you are able to revise the content mentioned in the Zoom. To go to the recording settings in the Zoom homepage, click this gear icon. Then, make your way to the recording settings here. In this section, you are able to manage where your Zoom recordings will be stored at. You are able to open the file location by clicking this button and changing the file location here. Below the setting, it shows how much storage space is remaining. Then, there are tick boxes available below it. The tick boxes allow you to manually choose location for Zoom recordings after the meeting ends, record a separate audio file for each participant who speaks, and optimize for third-party video editors, which makes sure the Zoom recording is compatible with your video editor software. You're also able to add the date and time of the meeting to the Zoom recording and record cameras when sharing screen. Below the recording section in the settings window sits the profile section. When clicked, you're able to see 3 buttons with 3 different phrases. When you click your profile picture, you're able to edit it. You're able to change your profile pic by clicking on the change button and selecting an image you want. Then you're able to press and hold to adjust position of the profile pic, either zoom in or out and then save it. The 3 buttons below the profile picture all do different things. When you click edit my profile, you will be redirected to Zoom's website. Here, you're able to once again edit your profile picture by clicking on it. All steps are similar to before. You're also able to add a phone number and check your personal meeting ID details. Note that adding your personal meeting ID is only for pro accounts. You could use personal meeting ID for instant meeting or for a quicker meeting setup. You're also able to show and change the email address linked to the Zoom account. Then, you're able to see or upgrade your account type, edit preferred language, and edit time zone, date format, and time format. To make it more convenient, you can integrate with calendar or contact softwares. You then are able to view or edit the sign-in password and the host key. The host key is a passcode which makes a participant the host in meetings, where participants can enter before the host. Lastly, you're able to enable 2-factor authentication and sign out from all devices. The second option is to change your subscription for the account. This will redirect you to Zoom's website again and allows you to upgrade or downgrade your Zoom account. The last option is to view advanced features. This will redirect you to Zoom's website again, and this is where you can find every single feature for Zoom, including ones that is not in the app. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned new features from this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial about Zoom, and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.